In this video, we're going to learn how to assemble your new selfie booth. Let's begin. Start by unscrewing the 4 big screws you see at the back of the booth. You can put the back cover on the side for now. Lay the photo booth on its right side. Remove the 2 screws on each side. Keep them at hand as you will need to put them back on. And remove the screws on each of the legs underneath the booth. Now it's time to install the legs. Insert each leg into the base and secure them with the screws that you removed earlier. Keep in mind that the longer part of the leg attaches to the base and the shorter one goes inside the booth. Now that the legs are attached to the base, we can attach them to the booth. Take the power cord and feed it through the inside of the left leg. And connect the cord to the socket inside the booth. Attach the legs to the booth and secure them with their respective screws. Remember, there are 2 screws for each side, so make sure they go in smoothly, and if they don't, twist the legs a little bit to adjust them. The booth is now ready to stand on its legs. Let's just make sure that the cord doesn't stay under the base. Grab the booth from one of the handles with one hand and hold the head of the booth with the other one. Then smoothly lift it up and connect the cord to the power socket. Use the cord cover to secure the power cord to the floor. Your booth is now ready to take photos. For better results, make sure there's a distance of at least 6 or 7 feet from the booth's camera to the backdrop. And also check that the booth is centered and parallel to the backdrop.